Hello and welcome to this GoodDay tutorial where I will be showing you the basics of the GoodDay Project Calendar. This can help you plan your work and visualize key projects or events or deadlines in a month, week, or list view. To access the project calendar, just open up a project of your choice. I'm going to do marketing. So opening up the marketing project. When I open up the marketing project, I see the calendar right here and it's selected up here in the top menu. If it's not showing here for you, then go ahead and click more and you can select calendar here, or go to the settings and go to views and you can enable the calendar right here. And you can also set it as your default view so that when you open the project, it'll show up just like it did for me here. See, I can set any of these as my default once it's enabled. So right now I have calendar enabled and set as default. So whenever I first open up the project, it will take me to the calendar view of this project. Now that the project calendar is open, let's go over some basics on how to look through this. So there is a full screen button here if you want a nice bigger view of the calendar, and you can go back to make it smaller here. And you can switch between dates very easily by clicking these arrows and go to different months, and you can click this today button to go back to the current date. If you prefer to only view the workday weeks, you can go to the settings up here and do work days only, and that'll just give you a little bit more space on your calendar, or you can just switch it back to a full week to show the weekend. If you notice any of these blocks in your calendar, these will represent project events, project milestones, or project deadlines. And any of these texts down here will just be task deadlines. And you do have the ability to click on any of these to edit them. So clicking on this event here, we can edit it in here or add notes, change the date, or we can click on a task deadline and edit them as well. And you can also reschedule tasks by just dragging them to the date that you desire, or you can reschedule a milestone or an event or a deadline by dragging it over here as well. And to create any new task or project, you can click the big add button here to do that, or you can go hover over a day and just click the plus button and add an event or milestone here, and it'll automatically put the date in here, and you can fill in all the details and that will update on the project calendar. So that's how you can view or edit or create new tasks, projects, etc. on the project calendar. If you prefer looking at the calendar in a different view such as weekly, you can do that by clicking up here and click week, and then we can see what all is due this week. And we can also do a list view, and here we have all of the tasks and events and milestones and deadlines showing up here in a list view of the month of May. And one last thing to go over, let's go back to the month view and click this filter button. The filters allows you to filter down the view of the calendar. Let's say we only want to see milestones. So we'll uncheck the events and deadlines, and now we only see milestones, and we can also remove the tasks here if we would like. That way we're only viewing milestones. So you can filter this down to however you like, or view everything. And you can also filter down by users to see who's assigned to a task or an event, and you can also filter it down by projects. So right now it's all of marketing, but you can filter it down to content management or email marketing, so you can filter this down to the exact work you want to focus on. That about covers everything you need to know for navigating through the project calendar. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the GoodDay Help Center, and thank you for watching the video.